Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to prevent your reels from auto sharing to your story. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Instagram application. So if you're not already, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, find the application itself, download it, open it up, and log into your account. So once you've done that, you are going to go and be greeted by this home page right here. This is the main page from where we can get started, and now we can get started with making the settings we need to use. So basically, guys, some people have been pointing out the problem that they have, that they are going to go ahead and be getting their reels automatically posted to their story when they post their reel, and they don't want that option turned on, and they want to turn that off. So how is that possible? Well, basically guys, I have been searching some forums of people asking the same question. They have the same question for Facebook and so on. Basically, there is no option implemented for this. A lot of people have been suggesting that you are probably choosing the story option instead of posting as a feed post on your Facebook or on the Instagram application. So you want to make sure you're not clicking on your story accidentally. But so if your reels are automatically being posted to your story either on Facebook or Instagram, doesn't matter, wherever, then if you're making sure that you are not clicking story, then what you want to do is go ahead and write to Facebook themselves. Write to them or to the Instagram support, tell them what the problem is and that you want to get that feature implemented, because you do not want to go ahead and enable it to be automatically posted to your story, because there is still not an option that's going to turn this off. They have not implemented it, so keep that in mind. And if you want something, you want to write to them to ask them to implement and bring that in. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.